Hey everybody on YouTube. I've been tagged with a EDC pocket dump. Paul's Pipes and Alex Bird tagged me to do a video to show people what's in my pockets. Well, I carry something different every day, but I'll just give you a small glimpse of what I have. Going left pocket deep, I got a Dagner Devil Ants. I've got left pocket clip poker knife, got a pair of knuckles, got a tin of snuff, I got a vaporizer for a quick nicotine hit. Got a back pocket, I got a bottle opener, knuckle, got a tin of Mac Baron Double H Latakia Flake. I've got a couple things left. I got a golf tee tamper, got some earplugs in my back pocket. I was cutting and grinding some metal earlier. Let's just put them in, might need them. Safety first. Right pocket, got a titanium James brand knife, sharp. I've got my lighter leash. Front pocket, got a baby Glock. Oops. Let's see. Got my wallet. Nobody's stealing my shit. In the pants. That's all I got in my pockets. Alright, I hope that suffices everybody's video for my EDC. That's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, I guess I gotta tag somebody else. I'm gonna tag, let's see, Florida guy, Jeremy Siers. Jeremy, you got the pocket dump video now.